she's an amazing woman. Subscribe to her channel.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, I'm Nice Mom. Oh guys, I'm excited. Thank you so much for working with me in this channel. My subscribers, thank you so much. So kindly work with me today and watch my video until the end. Thank you so much. Remember to subscribe. Also remember to hit the notification bell. Remember guys to give your comment, and also remember to click thumbs up by liking my video. So thank you so much as we walk around. Welcome guys until the end. Guys, thank you so much for watching my channel. Today I have with me a brilliant, nice, just meet her. I'm meeting her for the first time.
Hey guys, hey you guys, welcome to Nice Mom channel. Yeah, my name is Eve Ishauna.
Well, welcome Eve Ishauna. You have a nice name, yeah?
Yeah, thank you so much.
You have a very nice name.
Yeah.
Okay, welcome back to my channel. In fact, it is my first time meeting you. I'm so excited. I've been watching your videos. They are so nice. And then the last one that you did, it's so amazing.
Thank you.
So welcome to our village. This is our village, Nyabuanse. Oh, can you tell me why do you like our village?
It's cool.
Okay.
There are a lot of trees.
Okay.
Yeah, and then you just feel peace of mind.
Uh-huh.
You cannot be depressed living in this village.
Okay.
Yeah.
So thank you. So welcome. I saw your first video when you came to this village, and I was like, hey, this lady, yani you're so brilliant. Just like the step that you took, yeah. And then I saw something special in you. In fact, you don't look like Alana. You're doing good.
Thank you
Your
so
videos
much.
are so amazing.
Thank you.
Let me just put this camera up like this. Yeah, it is
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so when I saw the first video, I was like, you've eat it.
Yeah. It's by the grace of God.
Yeah.
I have been praying about it. It was not just something that I just planned 1 minute and just came. I have been planning this for years. I was like, also when Dimwango comes to Kenya, I will come to visit her. That was my plan.
Okay.
But now when Marwa came to Kenya, I was like, no, I will not even wait for long.
Okay.
I'll even come as fast as I can.
So,
sometimes it's good to take risk in life. It doesn't mean that I did not have a plan. Yeah, I was planning that if things don't work well, I'd go somewhere and maybe like do a simple job, wash dishes or do something. Yeah, so yeah.
So I liked the step.
Yeah.
So what can you tell young guys outside where you're still young, and I know you have a long way to go? So what can you tell them?
I can tell them to pursue their dreams.
Okay.
Yeah, whatever gives you passion.
Okay.
No matter if it does not pay you right now, you can start like doing something that pays you, but also make sure to pursue your passion.
Okay.
What drives you actually?
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Okay, that is for the young guys, maybe all over maybe the world who are watching us. And what can you tell Nice Mom at her age?
You're doing good actually. Imagine you're pursuing your dreams.
Wow. Yeah, I thought it is late.
No, it's not late.
It is not late.
Even the one who like started KFC,
the
eatery.
Okay.
He started at 65. Yeah.
So at my age I can still make it?
There is no actually there is one guy who told me that I inspired them on my comment section.
Okay.
They said that he said that he has started his YouTube channel at 61 years. Wow. And another one at 70. Yeah.
So I'm still young, guys.
At your age, you're still You're still
Okay,
young.
okay, thank you
Yeah.
for the encouragement. So I'll just you know, it is good to encourage someone. Encouragements are good.
Yeah.
So in that you've encouraged me, then I'll just go on at that pace. I'll just increase the pace until maybe I do exactly what my dream is.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you so much. I hope you're still here in our village.
Yeah, I'm here for a while.
Okay.
As I do content with other amazing content creators like Nice Mom and
Wow,
others.
thank you
Yeah.
so much. So I think you've met some of the YouTubers around. To surprise you, you know, most of the YouTubers around, they went through my hands and they learned at the school that I'm teaching. Yeah.
For real?
Yeah. Talk about, okay, D Mwango. Talk about David Junior. Talk about Ayamasubo. Talk about Elo Baby. Talk about Chef Matiko. The list is endless, my friend.
Oh my
Almost
God.
all of them. In fact, I can say, is it all of them?
Uh-huh.
Can you tell me the ones that you've met?
Joseph.
Claudia was my pupil, guys. I'd forgotten
real?
about him. Yeah.
Oh my God, you're going to do this on my channel.
Kind.
Yeah.
So Claudia, call them. Who else have you met? Just name them, I'll tell you. You've
I think
done
those
video
ones. Yeah.
just call them.
Nice.
And guys, let me tell you that this is one of the things that inspired me. That if at all I can, okay, me, I always say school of YouTubers, Reverend David Duveskog. And I was telling myself, if at all the kids who have passed through my hands can do this, then even me, I can do it.
You are a woman of greatness. School of greatness.
School of greatness, yeah.
Nice.
So almost all of them. In fact, at times it's only that I don't remember their names, but they are all over.
Wow.
They are all over. And remember also, Aya Marwa learned in that school, but he left before I came into that school. Almost all these young tubers in the village.
Yeah, that's really amazing. We're going to do this on my channel.
It's okay.
I've got an idea.
Yeah, in fact, there's a video I did with the chef Matiko, and that I go. He introduced me to the world. That, oh, this is my teacher.
I hope you are not harsh to them.
You know, also you're supposed to instill discipline in pupils.
Nice, and they've turned out to be great people.
Yeah, they are great. I'm so excited. There's another thing that I like about them. When you look at them, in as much as they are doing YouTube, but education was first.
Wow.
You know, even you can speak fluent English and maybe communicate and able to cope with other people because of the maybe education that you underwent.
Wow.
So one thing that I'm proud about them, these guys, in fact, most of them, okay, they have degrees. Yeah, like, okay, talk about Ayamaro. He did his degree and then now he's doing YouTube. I had David Junior degree. Okay, Adi Mwango professionally a teacher.
Wow.
Chef Matiko did something. Was it hospitality? Imagine. So when you look at them, somebody like Natso had a degree.
For real?
Yeah.
Wow.
So in as much as they are doing YouTube, but I tell you, this guy, they have papers.
Education is like it's okay, it's not the key to success, but at least it empowers you. Yeah, it does good to you.
Yeah, everybody has got a destiny, but then you don't know how that destiny will maybe you'll go to that destiny. So it can be through papers, it can be through talents. So if I'm very happy for you, I know you're still young, so something, okay, maybe I can just tell you, just pursue your dreams and then do your things, girl.
Nice.
Do your things.
Okay.
Hey, do your things.
Yeah.
You know, you came into village, do contents, my dear.
Okay.
Yeah, do contents. Do contents. In as much as I know that you have a small kid there, but still I know you're super. You can still do contents. Yeah.
Okay.
So thank you so much. I don't know what you can tell my viewers.
Please subscribe to her. She's an amazing woman. She also, she's teaching, she's working, and also she's pursuing her dreams. Yeah. So she's an amazing woman. Subscribe to her channel.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
You will have time and then we'll be doing another video. Thank you so much for your time. I know this is a sacrifice because you've left the kid there. So I think you can just go and maybe look after the kid.
Okay.
Yeah. So thank you so much, guys. So let me end this video. So
bye.
Bye, guys. We love you.